Hey everyone. So a while back, my friend Jen, she sent me these black stones, and I've been wanting to do this for a minute. I just didn't want to have to dye the stones black. These are already black, so we're gonna do it. If you've ever messed with chameleon pigment, you know you're kind of limited on what you can do with it. Like if you put it in clear resin, it doesn't really pop off like it's supposed to. And if you dust your molds with it, it kind of comes off a little matte. You can do a lot of multi-layering type of stuff, but I've done this before. I didn't film it or color the stones, and then you've got a lot of liberty to do with the stones whatever you want. And because they're round, they bend the light, which is really what gives the chameleons like their effect. I just have some glaze here. You could probably use anything like Mod Podge or just anything to hold it on there, really. Come out of there. It might be time to get some more. Don't fail me now. All right. Give it a little persuasion. Okay. So this one we got blue, purple, red. I don't know about red. This one was purple, red, green. I don't see any red in there. That's a damn lie. And here's another one that says it's red. And then we got gold, green, blue. So I'll lay these out on some parchment paper, put them somewhere to dry. We'll come back tomorrow. We'll make something. I don't know what, but it's going to be something. All right. Okay, we're back. It looks like this mold has some surface blemishes, so I'm most definitely going to have to top coat it. I might find something cute to slap on top of there as a topper. I'm not really sure. I think I might want to just leave this one kind of elegant looking. Something that you can actually put in the bathroom and let people gaze at. I have some clear resin mixed up here. This mold is kind of weird. And it came with this. Ooh, it's like a mountain or flower. We haven't... it's something. It's strange. We don't need that. Also, these molds are sold as stackable. And the listing would imply that it comes with 2 of them, but it doesn't. Just so you know, if you go look this up. At least the one I bought. It came with these 2 and that useless lid. Okay, now, I was thinking about how to do this. And I don't think I have enough rocks to just fill this whole thing up. I didn't make enough of them. But Jen suggested throwing some clear stones in there and just maybe making it look like a couple of them are kind of descending off of the top, like just suspend them basically. So I think we'll do that. We're just gonna play. I don't have a plan. Don't plan these things because they're never gonna turn out how you want them to. I'm just gonna start by putting a little bit of resin in here. Just a teeny bit. There we go. Get it started. Get a little over here too. I don't know if I should just mix all the colors up or yeah, just go for it. Hopefully they don't bleed. I've never used the glaze to do this. So yeah. Let me get this spread out because I want to get some on here too. I think I want to just leave the rocks kind of in the corners as a lid. Kind of want to look like they're spilling off. I don't know. And these little balls, they're pretty much going to disappear in there. But what they'll do is they'll cause it to look like the rocks are kind of floating. Or suspended, rather. It should actually bend the light around them a little bit. Give it a neat effect. Possibly. Like magnifying type of effect. These little balls are just barely big enough to fit down there. It's a good thing. You don't want to make it bow. Just get in here, make sure we're not catching any aggressive bubbles. I mean, I'm fully well expecting some smaller ones, but we'll get out what we can. I don't know how I managed to make almost enough resin. Oopsie. Need to make sure I get any of these that are too big to be. I don't want them poking out. I think it might be a little too big. Get out of here. Get in there. There you go. Okey-doke. I'm going to mix up a wee bit more resin. I'll pour it off camera. We'll come back and check it out. All right. Okay. We're back. Don't know if that's reading on camera. You see the little bits? That was a mistake I made by putting too much glaze in, and so when I laid them out to dry, it had little chunks of glaze. So if you're gonna try this out, like, go easy on your whatever you're using to adhere the pigment to the rocks. That's pretty cool. I think you can actually see the little balls in there. I expected them to disappear, but I guess they didn't. Now, this kind of fits in kind of weird, so I'm gonna put a little handle on it. A long time ago, I got this big broken box of jewelry. It had this obnoxious bracelet in it, so we broke it in half. Gave a little coat of paint, some of the Chameleon Pigment to match, and voila, we have a handle. Since I have to top coat this anyway, what I'll do is I'll get this placed. Maybe I'll use a little bit of UV resin to lock it in. And then I think I will top coat it. I'll show you right here. Hopefully it's not running over. Seems to be a problem. It's a problem for me, okay? Very elegant, very understated. but still you get that pop of color, and you get a handlebar. Anyway, if you got this far into the video, as always, I appreciate you watching. I hope you learned something. I hope you try something. Till next time, folks. Bye.